video world, YouTube. I told you that I'd make another video once I got ready to put the pipe, I'm gonna say pipe, let me say exhaust system on this other new bike. And I tell you what, I'm so happy. You can see that the reason why I'm happy. Look, I got my raggedy old hat back. Boy, I feel myself again. But once again now, y'all know how I get off track. I don't want to get thrown off track. I'm actually going to show now a little bit better about how to put those O2 sensors on the bike. Last time I had put the bike all together and I forgot about doing it, but this time I made sure that you can see it a little bit better. So anyway, I'm gonna show you here in a second this system that I put on this other new bike. Show you in just a second. Hey video world, I'm back. I said I was gonna make a video when I done the exhaust system on the next third gen, and so far I've got the system on. Looks good, and at least now this time I done it with the body off. You can see this here exhaust system was purchased for the second gen. So I purchased it for a second gen because purchasing it for a second gen, you can see it came with at least one bung already welded in for the O2 sensor. So that was the reason why I purchased a second gen, so I could get at least one bung already installed in the exhaust system. Now, I'm gonna move around to the other side. Let's get over here to the other side. And this is the other side. And as you can see, I tapped in the second bung right there. So now I have two bungs in the exhaust system. One is on the left bank. This is left bank. The other is on the right bank. And if you get up under it from this angle, which is going to be from the front of the bike, you can actually see there's the Y. Here's the oil pan. There's the Y. See the Y in the exhaust system. And on this bank over here, as you can see right there, where my finger is, that's the O2 sensor. That would be on the left side. If I get over here, there you go. There's the O2 sensor on the right side. As simple as that. It's all you need to do. And go ahead and fire that bike up, Skip. And let's see that these things don't throw any codes. If you do it the correct way, you just have to go. See, doesn't throw any codes. If you do it the correct way, you will not have a problem with your third gen throwing any codes. It's as simple as that. I'll say once again, common sense. I'm gonna say again, people wait until there is other sources that are going to make the proper retuning equipment to deal with this third gen bike. The simple thing to do is put the exhaust down, put the 2 factory bongs on it the correct way, and you won't have any problems with this motorcycle. It's as simple as that. Then when these other reputable companies come out and they have tuning systems and different adjustments that we can do, then change to whatever system, whatever usage that you're going to use, whatever tuning device. But wait until the technology is out there and proven and done correctly. So for now, just put any system, 1st gen through 3rd gen, on the bike. Just have to weld in 2 exhausts, O2 sensor bongs. If you buy the 1st gen, you're gonna have to weld in 2. If you buy a 2nd gen, you're gonna have to put in 1. As simple as that. Simple. As I say in all my videos, bye-bye.